The much awaited web series Patal Lok has been released, and believe me, while watching you will feel the adrenaline rush through your veins. Patal Lok is a police-based crime thriller penned by Sudeep Sharma, directed by Avinash Arun and Prasit Roy, and produced by Anushka Sharma's banner Clean Slate Films. The series is released on 15th May 2020 and currently streaming on Amazon Prime. The series is having 9 episodes, averaging 40 to 45 minutes each. Hello family, my name is Sandeep and I welcome you all to our YouTube channel Analyze in Box, where we will be analyzing movies and web series in a box. As you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe to watch our regular content and definitely show some love. The upper class affluent society, the middle class simple living people, the crime seeking corrupted underworld have vividly blended in this series with the mythical states of divinity of the heaven, the mortal beings of the earth, and the horrific creatures of dark hell, the underworld. Hathiram Chaudhary, a cynical cop from outer Jamunapar Thana, who has nothing to look forward to in his less than ordinary career. But this is until that day when a high-profile case lands on his table, a case too big for his designation. A failed attempt to assassinate prime-time journalist Sanjeev Mehra leads Delhi police to take 4 suspects into remand. The investigation falls in Chaudhary's hand. The case turns into a shadowy mystery that leads Hathiram to the darkest dominion of the underworld. Based on given circumstances and pure instincts, Hathiram started to investigate into the lives of those suspects. Serial killer Vishal Tyagi, as known as Hathoda Tyagi, Top Singh, as known as Chaku, Kabir M, and Mary Lingdo, as known as Chini. But due to certain out-of-luck mistakes made during the investigation procedure and leakage of classified information, Hathiram got suspended from his duty and the role of investigating officer. The case got handed over to CBI and surprisingly in a very short time span, CBI cracked the case, where it was also pointed out that Sanjeev Mehra was not only the prime target but also ISI has its involvement in his attempted murder. But that was not something which supports the theory of Hathiram's inquiry. Though suspended, he along with his aspirant subordinate Ansari continues their part of investigation and discovers surprising truths and insights in the lives of those victims, which will not only blow your mind but also change your perspective towards every single character's involvement in this mystery. The cat and mouse chase behind the truth eventually help Hathiram to rediscover his responsibilities as a police person, and on a broader perspective, he found out the meaning of his not so ordinary life. Now coming to the overwhelming aspects of this series. Veteran actor Neeraj Kabi in the role of a powerful aristocrat primetime journalist Sanjeev Mehra is just flawless. His baritone voice is something the character demanded. Abhishek Banerjee as Vishal Tyagi was one of the major contributors to this series. The demonic presence of that person, the dangerous yet so calm eyes of the character was amazingly portrayed by the actor. Thank God this guy became an actor from a casting director. Jagjit Sandhu as Top Singh and Asif Khan as Kabir M also did commendable job on screen. A salute to the actor Mariam Bam Ronaldo Singh as Mary Lingdo, who showed immense courage to portray this complex character, which will stay in your mind for a long time. Ishwak Singh as Imran Ansari, who is always supportive to his senior Hathiram, is very promising on screen with his convincing performance and depicted the character of an IPS aspirant smart cop brilliantly. Niharika Liera Dutt as Sarah Matthews, a junior journalist who is also brilliant on the screen. Swastika Mukherjee as Dolly Mehra, wife of Sanjeev, represented the vulnerable, anxiety-suffering character adorably. Gul Panag as the wife of Hathiram did not have enough screen time but showcased the middle-class normal life of a housewife and her aspirations stunningly. Bodhisatya Sharma as Siddharth Chaudhary, a next-generation actor, is also someone to watch out for. And last but not the least, Jaideep Ahlawat, the main protagonist in the role of Hathiram, has showcased brilliance of the character. This is seriously the performance of a lifetime. Over the due course of time, Ahlawat turns Inspector Hathiram into one of the most memorable and celebrated characters ever put on Indian streaming. Through the daily struggle in his mediocre family life as an unsuccessful ordinary police officer, his honest try to see the respect and love in the eyes of his son, the character will create a bond with you without even your realization. The references of mythical characters such as Hiranyakashyap, Shiva, Vishnu, Pandavas were made based on the traits of several characters, which also give the story the best finishing one can ever imagine. A praise is due for Anushka Sharma, who is the prime producer of this series and who always try to bring something fresh yet impactful through the screen to the audience, such as NH10 and Pari. However, the story might be felt lengthy, sometimes sloppy, and start to become baffling at times. But the authenticity in the storytelling and standout performances by the main leads and ensemble supporting cast will keep you glued to the screen. After watching the series, it can be proudly concluded that our Indian film industry has mastered the art of showcasing stories that reflects the tenacity of day-to-day life of common people of our society. A person is not a criminal by birth. Society creates crime and the circumstances create criminals. The Hindu-Muslim conflicts, the misuse of media and the power-hungry politics of this country was depicted beautifully through compelling, realistic and convincing writing by Sudeep Sharma. The trailblazing performances by the lead actors as well as supporting cast, the layered story writing, from the costume design to the backdrop of the characters, everything just clicked for this flick. Also to note, Patal Lok does not have any big budget stars in its casting. And I am telling this because as till today, many people choose their watch list based on face value. For you people, I can assure you that solid performances of actors like Jaideep Ahlawat, Neeraj Kabi, Abhishek Banerjee and others will not let you crave for big names during the whole series. Patal Lok is yet another step towards the goal of providing appealing homegrown contents that is set to put India and quintessentially Indian stories on the global map. I would like to rate this series by 9 out of 10, and that's all from today's video, guys. Lastly guys, this channel is new and it needs your support. If you like the content, then please give a like, subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that every time we upload a video, you get a notification. Also give a comment below on how did you feel about the review. Also on which series you want me to make our next video. During this outbreak of COVID-19, stay at home, stay safe and take care of your near and dear ones. Bye bye family. Thank you for your time.